Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Christmas 2025 crate in Plants vs. Brainrot game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can get the Christmas 2025 crate. So you can go to the Christmas shop and you can buy the Christmas 2025 crate right here with 300 tokens. Okay, you will need 300 Christmas token to buy this Christmas crate. And actually you can claim the Christmas crate from this event. Okay, right here guys. And I'm going to show you what you can get from this Christmas crate. When you open the Christmas crate, you will have chance to get all the seeds. I have already unlocked the pine 8% seed and also the roast potato seed. Here you can get the Chillino seed and cranberry seed, and yeah, it's really cool. And I have already planted the pine 8% seed and also the roast potato seed in my garden. Okay, I'm going to go to my garden and it's still grown. Okay, this one. Pine 8% seed and roast potato seed. Okay guys, and that's all about the Christmas 2025 crate in Plants vs. Brainrots. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!